Hey, it's Greg here. This video, we're going to remove the steering column from the 70 Chevelle. Okay, the wires are unplugged. They just got simple clips. Push in and pull them out, and then they are nicely hanging in your way for everything else. 3/8 inch bolts. Now this top one, I've got a flex head ratcheting wrench that does work on it. There's like no room. I'll have a link to the ones I use. And just working those out. So with those screws completely out, start doing these. They're also 3/8. Well, a little cramped under here. And get the other two. So once those are out, it's still stuck. So this is the other side of it. And there we go. I'm just breaking the seal loose. Okay, now that's fully loose. So under here, the speedometer cable, oh, that light is causing a screen flicker. Sure looks like it. That's not cool. The speedometer cable is really in the way, but this will break in two. But it'll take two hands, and that'll let it slide out of the way. So they're out. And yes, the seal is toast. There's a big hole now, so it'll fit through. Now we got to get these out. All right, let's see if we can do this without it falling on me. Ooh. Okay, it's stuck. That I didn't expect. I don't want to pull down. Mash myself in the head. Okay. All right, I have a cloth on the top of the steering column up front. Problem with magnetic bases is they pick up all the rust and such. This is what they don't show you on those TV programs. So I'm literally using a screwdriver and putting it in the gap and turning to get it to come down a little at a time on each side. All right, we should be close. Okay, I got it, Disconnecting it at the rag joint, 1/2 and a 9/16. I think I just need another person. Ah! Oh, that hurt. Okay, I just need another person to direct that while I pull it out. Somebody that won't be happy about getting dirty. And that's the hard way. You probably can't even see this in the camera. Okay, steering column's out. All the way to the rag joint, which works out. And here it is. And there's your wires and stuff. And it was just tight on those bolts. All right, no more steering column. All right. It's a little, yeah, there's a little more to it than what you might see on some shows and stuff. It doesn't just fall out. Well, mine didn't just fall out. So, all right. Hope that was helpful. If so, do me a favor. Take 5 minutes, open up your Bible or look at one online and just read for 5 minutes. Yep. Let God talk to you for just 5 minutes. God talks to us through His Word, the Bible. 5 minutes, that's all I'm asking. All right, so I do hope this was helpful, and God bless.